inspection of a house of Mr. Digambar Sawal. Today we got a notice from SGPDA Margao, okay, that for the site inspection of the illegal construction. So because we got the notice, I and my client we went to the house where the inspection was supposed to happen.
Where?
Of Digambar Sawal. This is in Margao. Okay. After going there, 5 gundas were already there present outside the house. First, from the window they started giving us bad words. We will kill you, you see what we do, wait and watch. And all of them had weapons. They had knives, they had rods, they had iron rod, wooden rod. Then as we knew that if we stay there for some more time, they're going to be hit. We moved with the car and one person, one of his gundas took an iron rod and they hit it straight on the car. You see over here, you see the iron rod depression. My car was hit. They came following us. And they were threatening us they're going to kill us. Now if something this way happens to an advocate who is going on duty for site inspection, for a job that my profession asked me to go to, how safe are we? If we today as advocates are not safe and we are threatened for our life, threatened for our safety, our property is damaged, our families are in threat, what will happen tomorrow to normal common people of Goa? If law and order is not safe in Goa, I don't think today if I as an advocate, I am not safe, nobody else will be safe. Earlier we also seen molestation cases that have happened to advocates. Until now no action is taken properly. And now I am threatened. My car is broken. I am threatened for my life.
You lodged the complaint?
I'm sorry?
You lodged the complaint?
Yes, I've lodged a complaint with Margao Town Police Station.
Your name?
Advocate Leona Banik.
See, today as advocates, we are concerned how this situation is panning out. What is happening in the Margao Town Police? I request the Honorable Chief Minister, please look into what is happening in the constituency. If the fate of these advocates are left like this, to hoodlums and all these goons, what is going to happen to the common man? And also I request this PI, please take action within 24 hours or we will file a writ petition against the PI, make him a party and see that we get justice. We are not going to wait and ask and beg and wait for this PI just because they are busy in other cases. This is a serious issue. I requested my brother, that is Advocate Prasad, who is a bar association, to help us. He said that he will pass on this to the government also. So therefore I request the Honorable CM and the PI and the DYSP to take immediate action. This is going above the head. We cannot tolerate this type of Buddhism. This thing has to stop.
हांव कंप्लेनंट दिगंबर सावळ तेगे घरा इन्स्पेक्शन आयज आमी गेल्ले अराउंड 3:30.
कोण कोण गेल्ले?
हांव आनी मुगे एडवोकेट तेगे गाडयेन एडवोकेटा गाडयेन गेल्ले आमी. सो आमी थिंग वचपा पयलीं बिफोर वी कुड अरायव देर वी ऑलरेडी गॉट द इन्फॉर्मेशन एवरीथिंग बिकॉज द इन्स्पेक्शन गाय दामोदर नायक हॅड ऑलरेडी अरायव्ड देर एंड ही कॉल्ड मी अप टू कम. हांव म्हणल्यार 5 मिनटान पावता. आय टोल्ड हिम आय विल बी देर इन 5 minutes टायम. सो हेगे ऑलरेडी गुंडा रेडी करले अटॅक करपाक कित्याक तो जितली जी आयज जितली तो करता न्ही सगळें हें तें गुंडागिरी हें तें फकत PIची विस्तार करता. कित्याक PI तो म्हणटा सगळें सांगता PI आपले गुड फ्रेंड म्हणटा आपल्याक कोणाचें कांय करपा येना म्हणटा. कोणाकूय विचारा तुमी जायत मार्केटान देखून वचून विचार तें सांगतलो कित्याक PI तेगे गुड म्हणून. सो हेजेर ऑन त्या सिनात खाण जें कित्याक करता हें सगळें फक्त PIक लागून. तेका आमी इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक दिलें ना. दादागिरी करपाक लागलो. तेगे ग्लास पडलो तेका हें म्हणपाक तूं येयला जाल्यार तुमी स्कीम घेयला तुमी तो मात म्हणून आनी कितें सांगपाक.
पण प्रॉपर्टी कोणाली न्ही?
प्रॉपर्टी ती हेगेली दिगंबर सावळाली. तो रावता न्ही ना तो रावता इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक दिवपा जाय न्ही.
तुमी कित्याक लागून इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक?
इल्लीगल आहा हो दुसऱ्या घराची इल्लीगल घालपाक भोंवता. हेगे घर इल्लीगल रावता मरे हो हेगे भायर कावन्सिलर आसून हो इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनार रावता. how you can stay in illegal construction? If you are really law-abiding citizen, then get it demolished.
पण any authority, government authority बी गेल्ली तुमच्या वांगडा?
Government authority I have just mentioned a minute ago. See, Damodar Naik is an inspector of SGPDA. So we had the letter, because inspection letter at so and so day and so time. So before I could arrive, the Damodar Naik had already arrived. So he called me up when I was on the way.
Okay.
So आमकां तूं लिगली करपाक येतो लिगली हो भिता. हो आपूण म्हणटा आपल्यागे बायल कावन्सिलर म्हणटा आनी कितें म्हणटा आनी दुसऱ्यांगे इल्लीगल म्हणपाक वता. हेजे कोण म्हणटलो हो कितें इल्लीगल घरा रावता मोड मारता तुका हें नाल्यार कोर्टाक यो मरे झगडपा. ही डजंट हॅव गट्स. बायलेगे काकणांगान बगतो.
युअर नेम?
माय नेम इज विजय मॅस्टेर. आय एम द कंप्लेनर. हांवें म्युन्सिपालिटीतूय घातल्या कंप्लेन. म्युन्सिपालिटी नोटीस दिला ताका ऑलरेडी. हें सगळे पेपर हाडून प्रोड्यूस